So here we have the Mini Cooper hatchback 5-door on an 18 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. But from the outside you can see that it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels. Let's start off inside the boot and then work our way around the rest of the car from there. As we approach the back of the car, you'll see we have plenty of boot space, as well as that 60/40 split folding rear seat. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back round to the front of the car now, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. But now that we've done a full circle of it, you can see it's in lovely condition the whole way round. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. The seats are in great condition. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that right now. Okay, so now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the left hand side we have the rev counter. We have the speedometer in the middle and then the fuel gauge on the right hand side. You can see the total miles for this car are 5,753. You can display certain bits of fuel economy information above that, as well as having a digital readout for the speedometer, which you can see just there, dominates the majority of that screen, gives you a nice clear readout. If we work our way over into the center here, we've got the satellite navigation, amongst other things. There's a full video showing how the satellite navigation works on our website, incidentally, and it's well worth checking that out. You can see me working my way around the various different options within the menu. Everything that I'm doing there is being done using this dial. Twisting that will take us through the various options. We can push it down to select things. This also moves to the right, left, up and down as well, which will become handy within certain menus. And you can access certain main menus directly from here. We're on the main menu, if you like, that one there, rather than these at the moment. And that is where you can access your navigation, radio, and you can see if we click on radio, we have FM, AM and DAB digital radio. We go back to the main menu. If you want to listen to your own music, you can do. You can do that via Bluetooth audio, the auxiliary input, and the USB input as well. So plenty of ways to listen to music in this car, and that is where you pair your phone under the telephone heading just there. Below that, we've got the air conditioning. So temperature is adjustable with this dial, fan speed with this one, direction of the air on that one. When you're happy with those settings, hit that button to turn the air conditioning on, or of course back off again. That one will recirculate the air that's in the car. That's a great way of heating it up or cooling it down quickly, depending on the temperature you've set on that dial. And then you've got your rear heated screen next to that. Below that, we have these three buttons. So starting from the left hand side here, this one is for the stop and start. This car is designed to cut out when you're stationary in traffic to save you fuel. You can turn that system off. When that light is showing, the system is off. This button will start and stop the engine for the car. So as long as the key is in the car somewhere, it could be in your pocket, your bag. I've got it just down here in the cup holder at the moment. But hit that button, start the engine, same thing to stop it again. And then next to that, that will turn off the traction control should you wish to. The only time that becomes potentially necessary is in heavy snowfall. Beneath that, we've got a 12-volt charging socket underneath that cap, and then the auxiliary and USB inputs. We have a 6-speed manual gearbox, and then the system here that we went through briefly previously. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, please feel free to call any of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.